Well, yeah, so she started to lay. She just dropped one. Okay, but usually one of the flippers supposed to be down in the nest.
And so it,
a form of
underneath
protection
it's
and
open
privacy.
eye now.
You all seeing?
Yeah.
If you all have any questions, feel free to ask. When everybody have seen the eggs, I will take you to the front so we can have a look at the face, and then I will allow you to touch her. Just don't touch her very hard, right? Because you don't want her to leave. You see how small those eggs are
Yeah.
compared to the size of the leatherback eggs?
Only one,
But
two.
they lay much more than the leatherback. They can lay as much as 250 on average.
So that
The leatherback is
250
like
eggs.
between 60 to 120. The eggs are soft. When they fall, they do not crack or break. They are kind of jelly-like. They never get hard. They just would get firm within the incubation period. And it normally takes well, with the hawksbill and greens, normally takes like up to about 70 days for the eggs to hatch.
So how long
The
she
leatherback
will
will take about 50 to 60 days. You want to have a question?
How long she will take? I mean, she will lay eggs. Like how long?
How long she will take to lay the
like
eggs?
yeah.
In a short period of time, so like about 10 minutes she finished laying.
10 minutes, like
All those eggs, 10,
250
15,
eggs?
yeah.
Wow. It's a machine.